Hi! So welcome back to About Raff. Officially, tapos na po ang summer, which means pasukan na naman para sa mga Raff Squad ko na mga students. And because of that, I think this is the perfect time to make a video just like this. Basically, this video is going to be a makeup tutorial that is perfect for students just like you. So of course, every makeup application starts with skincare. So kakatapos ko lang po mag-shower and mag-toner ng face. Now I'm going to moisturize my face using this one. This is the VB Cream from RX Beauty Philippines. Now you can use any moisturizer na hiyang ka. But I prefer to use this one kasi yung pagka-moisturize niya sa aking face is perfect for my skin. Plus, it also has color correcting properties. So while moisturizing my face, nako-correct na rin niya yung mga redness and blemishes ko. So you guys know this already when applying moisturizer. Make sure na yung rotation ng hands nyo is clockwise na pataas. Guys, dapat talaga i-prioritize natin yung skincare. Huwag tayong makeup ng makeup, dapat inaalagaan din natin siya. Irespeto natin at mahalin natin ang ating natural skin. Another thing to take note pala guys when choosing the right moisturizer for you, as much as possible, piliin nyo yung merong mga sun protection kasi yung weather dito sa Philippines is unpredictable. So even though maulan, hindi mo alam minsan aaraw bigla. So maganda if you're always ready. So the next process guys in this makeup tutorial is applying the concealer. Now, nagtataka kayo kung bakit uunahin ko yung concealer kesa sa foundation. Wait lang guys, meron tayong gagawin mamaya. Just going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of number 20. So kung student ka and madalas ka magpuyat, most likely meron kang problems about your under eye circles. Now I suggest this concealer from Maybelline. Kung hindi mo pa to natatry, itry mo to best. Promise, hindi ka magsisisi. So mag-a-apply lang ako ng small triangle. Ganyan. Dito rin to highlight this area and also a little bit sa aking forehead. Lagyan mo na rin ng concealer yung mga blemishes mo best. And then, just blend it using your finger. So, alam ko na if maaga yung pasok ng iba dyan, tinatamad na sila gumamit ng beauty blender. So, you can use your finger naman. Just make sure na malinis yung kamay mo. And the perfect way to blend it is to just dab, okay? So, you have to be extra careful dito sa area na to, sa under eyes mo. Pwede mo rin ilagay sa eyelid, but of course, extra careful kasi this is the most sensitive part of your skin. There. Now guys, instead of liquid foundation, ang ginamit natin is liquid concealer. Kasi yung mga liquid concealers, mas matagal yung longevity nila and mas pack na pack yung coverage. So ayan, you're looking fresh already. Gusto mo na fresh ka lagi, guys. Para kahit na may opa kang makasalubong, carry mo pa rin umalembong. What? Now guys, I'm going to share you one of my secrets. This one is called the EB Matte Two-Way Cake. And this is super duper cheap for only 165. So ganito yung kanyang itsura. Actually, this reminds me of the flip phone. Ayan o, para siyang cellphone. Hello. And meron siyang mirror, powder, and sariling sponge. Ginagamit ko to nung college ako. And up until now, kung nagmamadali ako, ito lang yung nilalagay ko. Basically, maganda yung coverage nito. And sa lahat ng powder foundations na natry ko, this one siya talaga yung pinakamatagal sa aking oily combination skin type. So yes, inuna ko muna yung concealer para ma-brighten up yung mga areas. And then to add coverage for the rest of my face, pinapatungan ko my whole face with this powder foundation. Now guys, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin when wet. Basain nyo lang yung sponge and then dip it sa powder tapos i-apply nyo sa skin. Pero guys, medyo hassle kasi yun. Kasi before mo siya ilagay dito sa compact niya, kailangan mong patuyuin yung sponge para hindi mag-accumulate yung bacteria. So, okay lang din naman kahit tuyo mo gamitin, just like what I do. Tapos guys, when you apply the powder foundation on the areas na naglagay kayo ng concealer, dapat very lightly lang para hindi ma-disrupt yung texture na ginawa nyo kanina. Lagyan mo rin yung neck mo. Yung pinaka-favorite thing ko about this one is it always looks natural on me. By the way guys, yung shade ko dito is the Matte Fair Oriental. Now guys, we don't need to set the foundation kasi obviously powder yon. So we can now move on to our eyebrows. Now tayong lahat, meron tayong mga sariling way in applying our eyebrows. So go right ahead kung anong shape ang gusto mo. Kahit gumamit ka ng powder, pomade, or pencil. Basta best, do your own thing. Pero ako kasi gusto ko yung kilay ko is makapal. Kasi kapag mas makapal yung kilay mo best, mas bata kang tignan. So ayan, for this look, i-embrace lang natin ang ating youthfulness. Tapos just brush everything with a spoolie para mukhang natural ang lahat. Now I specifically want to brush it upwards para ma-achieve yung medyo feathery na look. Yung pencil pala na ginamit ko is from the Face Shop. And I believe this is an eyeliner pencil. Pero like I said earlier, you can use whatever you want. Kung saan ka sanay best, go ahead. Just be yourself. Next step, I want to add a slight contour sa aking face. Kasi guys, that's one of my insecurities. For me, masyadong chubby itong aking cheeks. So, mas feel na feel ko ang itsura ko kapag meron akong contour kahit konti. And kung student ka tapos gusto mong mag-contour, I suggest kumuha ka ng palette just like this. Now, this one is from BYS. It is the Contour Trio in the shade number 1. Okay to kasi meron na siyang tatlong colors. Meron siyang pang-contour, pang-highlight or pang-brighten up ng areas, and then pang-blush. So, yung price nito is 400 plus, I think. Pero okay na yon kasi meron ka namang tatlong powders na magagamit mo every day. So, kumuha ka lang ng contour powder, i-tap off mo yung excess, and then para mas mukhang natural ang iyong contour, you are going to need an angled brush. Tapos dab-dab lang ang application mo dapat. Now, sa everyday look mo, hindi mo na kailangan itodo or gawing sharp yung contour mo. So, i-dab-dab mo lang ng ganyan. And kahit hanggang dito lang, okay na yan. Basta magkaroon lang ng dimension ng iyong face. So, of course, lalagyan mo rin dito. Again, tap-tap lang. Para hindi rin natin ma-disrupt yung powder foundation na nilagay natin kanina. Then, you blend it all over. Tap-tap mo lang in a number 3 motion. Parang inverted number 3, just like this. Next, let's contour our nose. Again, you can use the angled brush and slightly just go over your nose, starting from the tip hanggang dito sa iyong eyebrow. Now, let's use this color for our blush. You might want to get a different brush for this. Tapos, just go round and round dito sa area na to, just above your contour. I specifically like yung mga blush na peach. Ayoko yung masyadong pink para mukhang natural lang tayo. And to make it look even natural, you can also go over your blush dito sa nose bridge ninyo para mukhang mamula-mula talaga yung skin mo. Now, let's use this highlighting powder and ilalagay lang natin siya dito sa under eyes natin to further highlight this area. Again guys, be very careful on this area. Now, let's move on to our eyes. Now, since lagi tayong puyat, our goal for our eyes is to make it as awake as possible. Now, what you can do is to curl your lashes. As of the moment, this is my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational. Don't forget your lower lashes, guys. An extra step is to grab your favorite highlighter. Now, this one is my favorite glow as of the moment. And this is the favorite shade that I love to use. So, just glide your finger on your favorite highlighter and then put it on the inner corners of your eyes. And there you go, mukha ka ng gising. Now, last but certainly not the least is applying the lip product. Now, this one is a new product from KKOT or K-Cot or Cot, and it is called the Essence Lip Tint Balm. I got mine from an Instagram store called Beauty and Style Soul, and it is a lip balm and a lip tint in one. Tapos, it is 100% vegan, and it is super duper hydrating sa lips mo. I swear, yung hydration na nabibigay niya can last to the whole day. Plus guys, tignan nyo naman yung itsura niya. Very, very magical. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. Kasi meron siyang dried flowers stuck inside of the lippy. And guys, sobrang bango. It feels so nice on the lips and I love the color. Perfect for every day. So basically, we are done with our makeup. Just fix your hair. Tapos, baunin nyo yung powder foundation and the small brush so that if you need retouching, just dab the oil away with facial tissue and retouch with powder. Ilagay mo lang sila sa backpack mo. And you are good to go.
Today I'm feeling high right now. Do you think I'm fly as can be? Hey you, I know you got my back right. I can't go crazy and walking free, cause I'm going a little crazy tonight. It's been so many days and nights since I felt this right. Tell me what you really like about me.
So guys, there you have it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do click the thumbs up button and also be part of my Raf Squad by subscribing to my channel. And to be updated about my life real time, you can follow me on my other social media accounts. On my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, ako po si @RafWantsYou. And yes, it's a Raf, and I will see you guys again on my future videos. Mwah!
If I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.